Hello and welcome to etcfo.com. We are here at the first edition of ETCFO Next Gen Summit, and I have with me a very special guest from Siemens, Mr. Modi. Hello, sir. Welcome to ETCFO.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Sir, how do you see this event shaping? How is your experience of this event?
I think the experience has been wonderful. The whole idea of shaping the Silicon Valley and seeing how we as a country can become the Silicon Valley of the future, I think it's a very relevant topic. And we as CFOs need to understand what is going to be our contribution. The industry is changing. We are looking at, the industrial metaverse. We're looking at AI or Gen AI. We're looking at different tools on how we can actually implement and improve the way we do business in India and what is the role that CFOs will play. And this is going to be extremely crucial. So I really feel the session and this entire event that has been organized by ETCFO is extremely useful.
And sir, the theme of this event, unfolding the future of finance. How do you rate this? And how do you see the future of finance getting unfolded in next 5 years? And especially the role of CFOs in it.
Yes. So I think the theme is very relevant, as I mentioned. CFOs, as you know, are of course we need to be very crucial and critical around the hygiene of books and records. That's our core responsibility. But going forward, we are also a strategic asset to the CEO and helping the CEO build the business and grow the business. Now, looking at the way things are moving, we are looking at Gen AI, looking at machine learning, you're looking at deep neural networks. All this is industrial metaverse, as I mentioned. All this is going to play a significant role in the way the country is going to be shaped in the future. And having said that, this whole topic that we picked up today is relevant because we're not just looking at it from a finance or accounting perspective. We're looking at the growth of the country. We're looking at the growth of the economy. And we as CFOs will play an important role because if we understand the business well, we can then shape the business, keeping cost in mind, keeping the design of the product in mind, keeping the total cost of ownership lower to the extent possible, and helping our business improve. So this is a very relevant subject. A subject, it's a dream. If today we are in 2024, if you look at 5 or 10 years, if you're 2029 or 2034, how would the economy look? What are the burning questions that all of us would want to answer? And this is exactly what we've picked today in this session. Extremely important.
And sir, coming to your session, like building India's Silicon Valley, how do you think, sir? What can be the proper measures that India should adopt to give a green carpet, building its own Silicon Valley?
So, of course, keeping the various rules and regulations in mind, and of course, keeping, having a very strict regulatory focus, of course, we must try to see how we can actually invite more capital, try to promote more startups, because this economy, India has the maximum number of startups, and see how we can promote the startups to make capital easily available. Make sure that there are regulatory changes that enable us to promote such technological developments within the country. Also, at the same time, try and see how we can help all these startups, integrate them into the mainstream of our economy. So we've got so many startups, where so many of these startups are now billion-dollar startups, or can't be called billion-dollar startups or billion-dollar companies. Yeah, and these are really shaping the way the country is moving, the way the world is moving. So first is regulation. Second is access to capital. Third is to make sure that once you have access to capital, we have a very strong ecosystem of suppliers, customers, partners, technological partners, and the organization that is providing product, systems, solutions, and services. All this has to come together. And when this comes together, you will have one strong economy. And the CFO plays a very crucial role there because he or she brings all of this together. Because there are things like, cloud computing. This is a new topic. Edge computing. This is a new topic. So there are so many things that are happening. A CFO must unlearn, learn, and relearn. Because what we all did when we studied is relevant, but at the same time is now outdated. We need to relearn and if possible, learn again. So this is crucial for us as CFOs.